Hello everybody, welcome to Modi's English class. Today's topic is very important. What's the topic? Essay writing. Essay writing. E-S-S-A-Y. Essay writing. So, students of Odisha, students of India, students of the world always find problem how to start an essay, how to complete the body of an essay, how to conclude the conclusion. So, essay means a composition writing having certain word limit, and in writing the composition, students face lot of problems. What are the problems they are facing? The first problem is subject matter or the theme. They don't have knowledge on the subject matter, how to start the introduction, how to carry forward the subject, and how to conclude. So, essay writing is of course very difficult topic for the students, the beginners, and even the students who are at the top level like MBA or students appearing civil service examinations. So, let me clarify how to write an essay, what are the methods of writing a good essay, and how can you improve on your essay writing. So, let's begin. And there are some important points. What are the three main parts of an essay? The first part is introductory part. That is the introduction of an essay. You can ask me, sir, what are the introductory lines or how many lines can be written? So, I can say you, so if you are a student of class 11 and 12, you can write the introduction of 7 to 8 lines in the beginning. If you are a student of class 6 to 10, you can begin by writing 4 to 5 lines in the introduction. If you are a student appearing civil service exam or graduates or postgraduates, your introduction is also more than 7 lines, that is maximum 10 lines, 7 to 10 lines. So, let's begin how to write the introduction part. What is introduction? So, while writing introduction of an essay, introduction part is the beginning part which includes all the important lines regarding the introducing the essay, introducing the main ideas, and giving some most important viewpoints according to your meaning, according to your clarification. Suppose the essay is global warming. What have you to write the opening lines? You have to write the definitions of global warming. What do you mean by global warming? What is the present status of the global warming? Why it is an alarming situation? So, these are the points which should be there in the introduction part. Introduction means all the important lines, your main idea, the subject, all have been presented in the introduction. The next part is, what is the next part? Body of the essay. Body. What are the body? So, you have to carry on the composite body. In body, the theme is there, and I have already written the most important points. What are the points there in the body? Look at the left side. Here I have written. What are the important points of the body? First one, thematic knowledge. In order to carry forward the body, you must have subject knowledge or thematic knowledge. Suppose the essay is capital punishment. In capital punishment, the subject or the body, you have to compare why capital punishment is better, what are the country practicing capital punishment, what is the rate of improvement in capital punishment, what are the views of the modern people regarding capital punishment, all things to be written in the subject matter. So, that is the body. And the next one, latest updates. If you are writing an essay, if you don't highlight this point, your essay will not be marked as a good one. What is that? Suppose you are writing global warming, you have to give the latest updates regarding the ozone layer depletion, regarding the percentage of carbon dioxide, all the latest points should be there. The next point is data. Your essay should have data, enough data, so that the evaluator, the examiner finds that this is a composite whole. What is this say? This is a composite whole. All the points are arranged, all the points are in the perfect order, and all the points have been touched. And the next point, rich language, good language, good vocabulary. So that is an asset for essay writing. If your vocabulary is poor, if you are repeating one word, definitely your marks will be less. If you are repeating sentences, your vocabulary is poor, your word power is poor, then your essay will not give you good marks. Suppose the total mark carries 10 marks. If you have a poor vocabulary, you will get 5 marks only. If you have a good vocabulary, if your word power is good, then your marks are higher. 7, 8, 9 you can get. And what's the last point? That is comparison. In the theme, you have to give comparative analysis. You have to give descriptive analysis. Also, theme is always most important. Why? Introduction, you can write only 5 to 7 lines or 7 to 10 lines. But what's the body? Body covers of 30 lines or 35 lines or 50 lines according to word limit. According to word limit. Then what are the next important points in essay writing? Look at the points I have already told you. Introduction, then body I told you, then conclusion. What is conclusion? That is the end part of an essay. And just like the introductory part, end part, conclusion should have been good. If your introduction good, body part is good, conclusion has to be good. How to conclude? Conclusion means summarizing. What are your own viewpoints regarding the essay? What are the other viewpoints regarding other important people on the essay? That summary or concluding lines. How many lines? Again, 5 to 7 lines or 7 to 10 lines for higher students. 3 to 5 lines for junior, standard 6 or standard 5 to 10. 3 to 5 lines. 11 and 12 class, that is 3 to 7 lines. Higher students like graduates and postgraduates, that is line 1 to line 10. So that's why that is the conclusion. That is the summary of the chapter, summary of the essay, concluding lines of your essay, your opinion, people's opinion, and what you think the essay should be. That's the conclusion. And the next part, the last part, word limit. For example, 11 and 12 class students, what are the word limits given? That is 250 words. For graduates and postgraduates, what are the word limits? 500 words given. So accordingly, you have to analyze. So in writing an essay, the most important 3 parts there, that is introduction, body and conclusion. And how can you write good essay? One tip I am giving, the best tip I am giving. If you want to write best essay, you should read at least 100 to 200 essays. Then only you don't have problem here. What is the here? That is the body. Lot of students suffer at the conclusion, at the introduction as well as body. So who can write the best body? The students who have already read 100 to 200 essays. So in your lifetime, definitely look at the essay book. Suppose you purchase one college essay book, and in that essay book, how many essays you find? 250 essays there, 300 essays there, 500 essays there. But I am asking you at least reading 200 essays in order to write a better essay. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Next time I am giving you some other interesting topic. Bye bye. Thanks a lot.